Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. Today I'm so excited to try out a $1 ShopMissA product, and this is the AOA Studio Oh Honey Lip Oil. It says it's made with real honey. It says nourish your lips. And I got this in the strawberry flavor, but it comes in 4 different flavors. And this actually has so many 5-star ratings. And usually when there are good ratings on a ShopMissA product, it's really good. So I'm really excited to try this out. I'm always looking for nourishing, moisturizing lip products, and it's even better when it's only $1. This is also supposed to smell really good, and I love good scented lip balms. I also think it's really cute. I love that it has this rollerball packaging, which this is just such a throwback to me. I feel like my first lip glosses I had as a kid were little rollerball ones like this. Oh my gosh, and it smells so good. It seriously smells like a strawberry candy. Oh my gosh, I love that. All right, let's see what this does for my dry lips. Oh my gosh, the rollerball is just so fun to apply. It's like I don't want to stop. Oh my gosh, this has such a great texture. It actually kind of reminds me of like a slightly thinner lip gloss. Sometimes lip oils are really thin, very watery, but this does have a nice kind of thicker but not quite as thick as a lip gloss type of texture. But look at that, it has a really beautiful sheen, and it is immediately hydrating. Immediately my lips look completely moisturized. They really do look smoothed out, like there is absolutely no chappedness to my lips. I love this. This is perfect. See, this is what I think a moisturizing lip product should be like. And this is for only $1. But then I'm trying out these expensive lip balms and lip glosses that just don't hydrate my lips, and like you can still see the chapped texture, and it's just kind of like a layer on top of my chapped lips. And I'm like, why isn't this deeply moisturizing my lips the way other lip products do? And like this product right here is the perfect example of a product that just deeply hydrates and completely moisturizes my lips. Like my lips do look plumped up because the lines are a lot smoother, and with that shiny texture that just enhances the lips even more. And I would say that it's clear, even though it kind of looks pink with this packaging, it's definitely just a clear gloss. So quick, so easy to apply. I absolutely love it. I feel like this is the perfect go-to moisturizing, shiny lip product. No wonder this has so many high ratings, because it's everything. Like I have no complaints. I love the packaging, I love the scent, and I love the formula. And then for $1. Like at this point, I would pay way more than $1 for this product, because it's everything I'm looking for in a moisturizing lip product. But I don't have to. Instead, I could just stock up on this and buy all 4 flavors. Seriously, I just get so happy when I find amazing $1 lip products, and I just highly recommend you check this product out. And then I also love like a quick, successful makeup review that I'm not struggling with. It's just so fast and quick and easy to apply. So let me know if you have tried out the AOA Studio Oh Honey Lip Oil. If you've tried out any of the other flavors, I'd love to hear your thoughts on those. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.